Get the most out of your resources. Efficient, sustainable manufacturing with TruTops Boost. Just boost it. Your general manager is on a special mission today, staying competitive and sustainable, ideally as a smart factory. Her team has already taken the first steps with a new production planning and control system. Processes at the top enterprise level couldn't be running better. But there's no digital interface to sheet metal production, so the information has to be copied to the system manually from printouts. That's redundant, error-prone. There has to be a smarter, more innovative way, doesn't there? Holy cow! What now? What are the odds? Innovation, suckers! If they take hold, they sap the innovative strength from an entire company and its competitiveness and ability to survive, too. The defects are already coming. But here comes the way out. TruTops Boost to the rescue! TruTops Boost is the optimal link to external planning systems with automatic import of parts and orders. And smart parts labeling via dot matrix code to start bending programs easily. Digital, fast, and error-free, without duplicate work. With TruTops Boost's graphical part separation, employees can see which parts belong to which order at a glance, without complicated parts lists. For a perfect production flow. That's how you do Smart Factory. Grow for the future and ensure your long-term competitiveness with TruTops Boost. TruTops Boost. Just boost it.